How to fix model.dll. Error, DLL file missing / not found on Windows. 1. Restore the model.dll file, if you can. 2. Remove, using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide, then reinstall the affected program. 3. Scan your device for potential malware, using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 4. Perform a system rollback. 5. Update Windows and/or upgrade hardware, for gamers. 6. Install the supported or latest version of DirectX latest packages as admin. 7. Uninstall, reinstall then update your game.